Nimantha here again, guys. I just took one of my friends on Facebook, and guys, one funnel away challenge. You heard it? One funnel away challenge. If you don't have it, still, you are crazy. You're you're really crazy if you don't have it. Why? Come on, guys. One funnel away challenge. It's that good, you know. It is so awesome. It's insane value. How much? $100? Oh, you don't have $100 to change your life? The knowledge you don't have. To get this knowledge, you need to pay $100. People, I'm actually wondering, people still ask me, oh, should I go with the one funnel away challenge? Is it worth it? Do you have one funnel away challenge review? Do you have one funnel away challenge bonus? These people are crazy. Just go to their landing page, one funnel away challenge. Just check what you will get, guys. 30 people, 30 people. They are not beginners or something like this. They are actually internet marketers, like millionaires. They know what to do and they know what they are doing. So I mean, isn't that crazy that you can get their advice with $100? Freaking one-time payment. Still don't have it? Still don't think that this is like not worth it or something? Come on, guys. How much money you have to pay if you need to talk to a internet marketer who is a millionaire? And if you want to know, okay guys, okay, here is my question. Okay, you want to know this, okay? Here is my question. What do you do? How we can do it if you are starting from zero and you have no list, you have no money, nothing. You only have the knowledge. You have your knowledge, but somehow you lost everything. Then you have to start it again. And these 30 people sharing the whole freaking plan, that how they are going to achieve to the level they have today. Isn't that crazy? And also, one funnel away challenge has step by step, like every day you have a step to do, a mission. Okay, so it's like, do you know Miyagi? Do you know this movie Karate Kid? Wax on, wax off, this stuff. So these people ask you to do a step, a mission every freaking day, and don't ask actually, oh, why you are telling me to do this? Just do it. Just like Miyagi says. And if you don't know the Karate Kid, go and watch it. It's good. It's a cool movie anyway. So these two people, and Russell Brunson, he's the man. And Stefan, I love him as well. He's crazy, and yeah, he's dropping so much value. He's really a motivation for me. So these people, so everyone putting so much value into one funnel away challenge. You have to go and get it, guys. If you don't think, if you think, okay, one funnel away challenge, oh, it's not for me, or there is a bad review about one funnel away, then don't go for it. Just go with just stay with your 9 to 5 job. Just don't get this knowledge you don't have. This knowledge, guys, I have struggled a lot. I have struggled a lot, more than you do actually. So these years I have checked so much courses and training program, a lot of actually. So the knowledge I have learned from One Funnel Away challenge, actually I haven't seen these the stuff One Funnel Away challenge gives you. I haven't never ever seen it in my life. Trust me, in my life I haven't never seen those stuff. That is actually freaking true. It's insane value, guys. So go and get it. Just go and get it. And yeah, if you get it through my link, I will get some money as affiliate, because I would freaking happy to promote it since it is so good. It's not bullshit, right? But I will get some commission when you buy it through my link, right? But it is not the only one reason I'm doing this, because I know how good it is, and if you are struggled like me, like I have before, then you have to go and check it. You have to go for it. Actually, I'm going to launch a course. Actually, it's in the process yet. Uh, Still processing. I'm still doing it. So if you go and get it, One Funnel Away challenge through my link, and you will get access. You will have access when you buy it through my link. Okay. And also I'm going to it's only like 50% done. Actually, I'm doing I'm not boasting. I'm the number one SEO specialist in Sri Lanka, which is my country, my home country, but I live in Germany anyway. So I'm actually going to finish this course soon. SEO, how you can do it, how you can rank your websites, how you can rank your pages, whatever it is. So you will have access to this course as well if you go and buy it through my link. So I will put this link down. Okay. And yeah, and also take action, guys. It's most important step. If you just think about, oh, I will buy it tomorrow, and then it's not gonna work. Go and get it now, just now. Do it now. And yeah, so see you in the group. Maybe I will show you a little bit inside of the One Funnel Away challenge as well, if you like. Maybe you are curious what it inside the One Funnel Away challenge, what are the pre-training you can have. Okay, so see you in the group. Take action. Go and get One Funnel Away challenge. See ya, guys.